Good morning and welcome to day 22. Honestly, I can't actually believe that I've managed to film for 22 days. It is currently 10 to 7. I have been for my run. I've had a cup of coffee. I've drank some water. I haven't showered. That's still on the list. Strawberries. They're starting to look like they might be able to turn red. So I'm hopeful for strawberries for the pad. Right, what have we got inside number 22? See, I was hoping that we'd go to orange, but the mustard yellow makes me think, please don't be brown, don't be brown, don't be brown. It's not brown. There are bits of brown, but it's not brown. That's the main thing. There's pictures of some autumn leaves. Now, I did slip on some autumn leaves in 2010 and slice the big bone of my ankle right across, spiral fracture right up the skinny bone and dislocate my foot. So, you know, a little bit on the fence about autumn leaves in general, but at least that's a decent colour. It does imply that we're going to get around to pink, and maybe by Christmas we'll have red, but I would like some more orange. I don't want this to be the only orange. Right, where am I up to so far? Dropping this on the ground. Yesterday we finished the bear. Now, I thought the bear was going to be like bigger and chunkier and all of that sort of thing, but the bear's quite cute. Definitely the bow is disproportionate, but the bear does sit. It sits quite nicely, but I think I would have preferred to be able to stuff it more. I'm tempted to try and make the bear some clothes in the next couple of days so that the bear can become more interactive. But the bear is called the bear sparkles, which is nice. So, put that gently there. Also finished the beanie. Now the beanie has worked up really quickly. It's just a long tube. I'm quite happy with the decreases at the top, and it fits well. It's double-stranded, so it's warm. I'm not putting it on my head. Not because I'm being precious about it, but I have just come back from a run. So yeah, the hat. I will write up this pattern because it's really easy and it worked up quickly, and it looks really cool when it's on. And then the last thing, I have finished Rocky's first sock. Well, at least a socky leg warmer. So if you imagine his leg, today the task is going to be finish the other one. So to finish the other one, I did just see that the Ribbler pattern gift bundle of the day has a stuffed penguin in it. The new nephew's bedroom is decorated with penguins, so I'm going to have a look at that pattern and see if I have yarn in the yarn stash to make that penguin, because it looks like a squishy penguin. But yeah, so the other one of these socks, maybe that penguin, but mostly I need to make the black loaf cat. That's got to be next on the list, I think. And then I need to actually start consulting the list and thinking about everything. Maybe by Monday I will film in everything I didn't crochet for Christmas. That implies that I'm not going to be knitting and crocheting on Tuesday for Christmas. I'm not sure if I'm going to be that far ahead. Anyway, my breakfast is made. It is not made by me, it is made by my partner, so he gets bonus points today. I have just noticed there is a tomato plant popping up over here from some sort of seed that's dropped. There were some that popped up in the strawberry patch that I transplanted, and they weren't overly successful in transplanting, so this one can just stay. I will have to weed some more. I haven't done any weeding over the last couple of days because it's been raining, and the weeds have gone, you're not weeding us, you must like us, we shall grow my pretties. And yeah, that's less desirable, but at least the corn seems to be doing well now. The sunflowers, there's one that's on its way out, so that could become chicken food relatively shortly. The strawberry cover looks like it might be working. The cabbages are hanging in there enough for Christmas coleslaw for the 2 Christmas dinners. There's one Christmas dinner on Christmas Eve with one side of the family, and on Christmas Day is the other side of the family for proper Christmas. There are so many poppies. To be fair, it was the dream to have that many poppies. I can't see boots and... oh, there's boots. Can't see mittens, but they're not in shot. And there are a couple of hares that keep running around this paddock. So I'm tempted to take Rocky up there and see whether or not he's going to follow his biological imperative and actually chase them. But I doubt it. Anyway, it's still before 7 o'clock. I've got 27 exercise minutes on my phone. The car does need cleaning because we're picking people up from the airport tomorrow, and currently it looks like I own a dog. Actually, it looks like I own 4 dogs, and all I do is drive around to the car with them. I've got car seat covers for this purpose, but I probably could have taken them out and washed them at the laundromat the other day if I had actually thought it all through. But I didn't. So there's that. The red carnations are flowering quite nicely. That's Christmas appropriate. That's handy. And I think the other ones aren't dead. That's about all I can say there. Alright, it is time for breakfast. I will breakfast and then I will get working on the Rocky sock and all of the other things that need doing, including making a list of all the last groceries we need for Christmas because we're making a lot of desserts and potatoes. Mostly potatoes. Also, Dad took some potatoes home the other day. He had some people for dinner, declared dinner to be a roaring success. This is a man that has only really started to learn to cook after my mother died. Highlight of the meal, my potatoes. So if that's not like Michelin star approved, it's really not. It's really just saying that Dad's cooking is so good that boiled potatoes are the highlight. But, you know, they are good potatoes. Alright, breakfast. Because the sun is in my eyes and it is before 7 o'clock. It is very humid. It is going to be warm today. I'll catch you later.